Hello everyone, it's Anna with ACS Creations. I'm just trying to move over. There we go. So, I have a few things to show you that I finished. I'm going to do some shout outs and some other things. Right, let's see. I'll start with the finished objects. This thing, I don't have a pattern. I just did it out of, just came up with it on my own. Little minion. It was supposed to be a keychain. I was gonna make my keychain. I was going to make a keychain for my mom. But as you can see, I don't know if there's a big jar of peanut butter. You see it, the size of it. That's a little bit big for a keychain. So it stands up so she can put it wherever she wants, or I can put polyfill sticking out. Put a little string on there so she can tie it on the minion bag that I made her. So there's that. I absolutely love how it turned out. And the yarn that I used, the yellow and the blue, it's yarn I got off eBay. I don't know the name of it because it's not in English, but it's a 50-gram ball. I saw them and I'm like, oh, that would be perfect for a minion. I think I got like 6 of them and I paid less than $4 for 6. They're all different colors, but. And then this is Big Twist, black, Karen, 1 pound, and I think this is Red Heart Super Saver in white. So there's that. And then I tried to make my son a hat. Well, I mean, I didn't try, I did. But he won't wear it. He wears it for like 30 seconds and then rips it off. But this is it. It's a little pumpkin. And the pattern for this is a tutorial on YouTube, Jada and Stitches. It was very easy. She said you could put polyfill in this if you want to make it stiffer, but I didn't. It's pretty stiff without the polyfill. And there's that. And then when I was making the minion, I didn't have any stitch markers near me, but I have this thing where on one side it has all my charms and stuff to make stitch markers, and on the other side it's got all my eyes and noses. But I needed a stitch marker, so I'm like, well, I got all the stuff, I might as well just whip one up really quick. So I did this one. If it'll focus. It's a skull and crossbones. Oh, there we go. I focused it on my head. There we go. So yeah, worked out pretty good. So there's that. Now, the next thing is some of you may be a part of it, some of you may not even know about it. Granny Square Swap or something like that. You make Granny Square and you send it to whoever you got paired up with. So far I've gotten 2. I don't know if I showed the first square. I think I did. This was the first one. Oops. I'm pretty sure I did. Because I got this in the mail along with my bracelet from Classy Kim's Crochet. Absolutely love that bracelet. And then the other one I got in the mail today is this one. From Mia Jones. It smells good. Like I open up the package and I'm like, smells good. And it's this. So there's those two. Absolutely love them. There's that. Now, since I lost my address book, I've been wanting to get another notebook just to put addresses in. So, I went to Joann's the other day and they had these little notebooks in the scrapbooking section for $1.99 and they're 30% off. And they came in a pack of 3. So I'm going to use these to put addresses in. I'm not going to alphabetize them. They're just going to be put in there as I come across them. So the next thing, it's a WIP. This is something else. Oh, I forgot. I brought the other yarns. Is this, yeah. See, I don't. There's that one. This one. It's not that color. It's more of like a lime green, not a teal. And then the red and black. I thought I'm missing one. I don't know where it went. I had a pink one. I think. I don't know. What is this? Oh, blue. Okay. So this is something else that I don't have a pattern for, that I'm just kind of winging it. I don't know if I showed this. Nope. It can actually either go this way, or it could go this way. I guess it all depends on how you want to wear it. I mean, it's fitting. Oop. You can't even see it. Cat scratching in a box. I'm not gonna look too much like anything right now. Well, that not being too far down, but that's what I got done on it so far. Put that back down. So yeah, and I'm using a mandala. I don't remember the color. This is what I got left of it. I can't wait until I get into these colors. So I think that's it. Well, I'm using a 9mm hook for that. And I got it in. I know it's not winter, but I absolutely love this bag. Thank you, Randy. Whoa. Alright. So I'm going to do the shout outs really quick because my phone says I only have 18 minutes to do a video and I'm already at 9 and a half. Well, 10 minutes. Put these in there. So I got 8 minutes. The People that I'm going to shout out are people who have under 1,000 subscribers. Once I get through all of those, then I'll do the other ones that have over 1,000. But I'm trying to help out the ones that... And there's one of them, she's almost to 1,000. Some of them I haven't watched any of their videos because I just followed them tonight. During Granny D's live stream thing. So, got them written down on my little no drama llama paper. The first one is Angel J. Pray N, and the letter N, crochet. And the next one is Angel, the Crafty Fairy Godmother. The next one is Auntyvernon, Crochet and Stuff. And 4 is Charmed Grammy Crochet. 5 is Cindy Hart's Crochet. 6 is Classy Kim's Crochet. 7 is Sin's Crafting World. 8, Homemade with Love by Loretta and Blaine. And 10 is Kittymom Crochets. Some of them I have... Oh wait, 9, I skipped one. I went from 8 to 10. Number 9 is Joe's Web. I don't know, probably because I have it kind of trailed off here. So that's why I skipped there and went there. Anyways, number 9 is Joe's Web, and then it's Kittymom Crochets. So, yeah, I'll just do 10, that way it's not super long. But yeah, I am up to 178 subscribers now, which is awesome because like last week I was at 150 something. So that's really cool. Thank you to all the new ones, and I hope you guys like my videos. What else is there? I have little notes on the back. There's another group that I'm in. It's not crochet related. Somebody posted a picture of the Lost Souls shawl. And they're like, oh my god, I love this. This is awesome. And I was reading through the comments and I'm like, I commented, I'm like, that's one of the shawls that I've been wanting to make, and I haven't made it yet. There's another comment saying, ask your grandmother to make it. That kind of irritated me. So I didn't keep my mouth shut. I'm like, you don't have to be an older person to be a crocheter or to knit. Like, I started when I was 26. And I'm going to be 31 in a couple of months. I'm not a grandma. I don't know why it bothers me so much. People think that just because you have yarn, or because you make stuff with yarn, you have to be an older person. No, you don't. Speaking of that, my son sat in my lap while I was making this. When I was doing this part. And he actually did 3 single crochets with me. I held the needle and the yarn, but he had his hand on it and I had my hand over his. And he did 3 stitches, so I could tell my mom that your grandson helped me make this. So that was cool. And he had the biggest smile on his face while he was helping me. So maybe have another crocheter. Next thing I was going to talk about is I watched Ella's on No Catchy Names video. I am way behind on everybody's videos. I don't remember if this was a video she posted today or when. But they're doing her and Amber, I think she said. I can't remember the name, but No Catchy Name Crochet. Ella, they're doing a Halloween cal. So if you crochet one thing for Halloween related, you get one entry into the giveaway. If you buy their pattern and do one of their patterns, then you get 5 entries, which is cool. I'm going to try. Oops. My foot got caught on the cabinet door. I'm going to try and do that. I don't know if I'll get the pattern or if I'll just try and crochet things. It's nice that my son's been going to sleep early, so that way I can do, like, I was able to make his hat. Oh, I also made a candy corn, but I gave it to my husband to put in his toolbox at work. So if I can figure out how to, I will put a picture of that at the end of the video. But I think that is all. I don't have anything else to show. I don't think I finished anything else that I haven't shown already. I haven't bought any more yarn. Oh, I did. I am waiting for, I got in on the 10 for 10 Lion brand. I got 5 cakes of 2 different yarns. I'll show those once that comes in. Hopefully it comes in soon. But I am getting the flash that my video is going to cut out soon. So before that does, I'm going to go. Thank you all to the new subscribers. Thank you to the ones that have been here. I hope you enjoy the videos. If you do, please give it a like. And if you're just coming across this and you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you can get notifications on when I post videos. I hope everybody has a good day or night, depending on when you watch this, and I will see you next time. Bye!